How Cash App works and how to use it to send, receive, invest and earn money. In this video we will explain how Cash App works. With this application you can do many things. Its popular use is based on the transfer of electronic money quickly and easily, but with its application, you can also earn money if you recommend to other people and join with your referral code. In this video, I will tell you how to do it. In addition, you can also invest your money. You can buy Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency that over the years has been increasing in value against the dollar. Anyway, Cash App is an excellent application, and in this video you will learn how it works. If you think that the information we share with you in this video is very useful, please support this video with a like and subscribe to this channel called World Transfer, a channel where every week we will share with you different ways to transfer money. How to create a Cash App account, your step-by-step registration. The first thing we must do is access the application store of our cell phone. We must search for Cash App, then we have to install this application. Once installed, we proceed to open the Cash App by pressing this button. This is how the application is shown when it is opening. As it is the first time that we will use Cash App, we have to register with our cell phone number in the United States or an email that we use frequently. We write our number in this section. Keep in mind, note that you will receive a confirmation code, therefore you must have your cell phone with you at this time. In this case I am going to choose my cell phone number. I write here as you can see on the screen. I press the button that means next. Here it says that please enter the code that they have sent us on our cell phone number. As you can see right now the code has arrived. We press the next button again. Very attention, in this section you must enter an invitation code if you have it. This is usually shared by other Cash App users. And if you use this code, you will have a $5 gift. If you want to get a promo code to earn a little money and help others earn too, in the comments on this video, you will find a lot of people sharing their code. Once you finish creating your account, you can also share this promotional referral code, which will help you earn about $5, just like the person who signed up with your code. This way you earn money with Cash App. If many people use your code, you will earn a lot of money. Take advantage and leave a comment with your code with an original message. The most creative person always earns more. We enter the invitation code and press next. In this section we can add our bank account and our card, but we can also do this later, for which we press this button on the left to skip this step. Here we must enter our full name, as it is in our identity document. We press the next button. Now we have to enter the zip code of the city and the state where we live. We press the next button. Lots of attention again. I need to explain something extremely important to you. In this section you have to configure your Cashtag. And what is the Cashtag? As it is your unique username in the Cash App, other people who need to send you money can use your Cashtag to send it to you quickly. Usually we can send money in Cash App to our mobile contacts, but if we do not have registered the person who will receive the money, we can use their Cashtag to send them money. That is why you have to create your Cashtag here and then save it. We click on the next button. Here Cash App gives us a brief notice of what he had told them. We can invite a friend to join us with our code, and we would earn $5 for each person who joins our code. We continue. We click this button to start using Cash App. This is the main screen that will appear each time we log into the application. This icon here shows us our profile. Our name appears here, our Cashtag appears below, which you can share with the people who will send you a payment. Then below you have a link where it says invite a friend and earn $5. If you want to get your referral code to share and start earning money, you just have to click on this link. Below you have a security barrier if you want to activate it. Here are your wallets for calling it that. In Cash all the dollars you receive are stored. If you decide to buy Bitcoin, they are stored here. Then here you can add your bank account. This information is very important, pay attention. Cash App also allows us to request a debit card to use the money that we accumulate in the application. We can withdraw it in cash from an ATM, or we can use the card to pay directly from there. To obtain said card, you just have to click on this link and follow the steps. Let's add our bank account to be able to use funds from there. That way we can send money to our loved ones, even if we do not have funds in Cash App. This small message tells us that we can add a bank account using our debit card from said bank. If we have the card, we can write the number here, but if we do not have the card and only have the bank account, we click on no card. It asks us to select our bank. We select, for the example, Capital One. We must access our mobile banking account, that is, we enter here our username and password that we use to enter our bank's application, in this case Capital One. In this way we can associate our bank account and our debit card. OK, we go back to the main screen. In this icon here, we can see our activity or other notifications. How our account is new, there is nothing. Now yes, we return to the main screen again and see how to request or send money. Basically here you must write the amount of money you want to send or request someone to pay you. The button that you see here on the bottom right means pay. The button that you see here on the bottom left means request. Then, you have to write the amount of money and press one of the buttons depending on what you need. We write $5 for example and press pay. This pop-up asks us if Cash App can access our contact list. We click to allow access. Here we also press OK again so that you can fully access. Here where we indicate right now you have to enter the beneficiary of the payment, that is, the person who will receive the money. If this person is in your contact list, you just have to write their name and add it, but you also have the option to add their Cashtag. Then here where we point you out right now, you can add a note mentioning the reason for the shipment, for dinner, for example. Finally, when you have added the beneficiary, you must press the pay button and that's it. The money will be debited from your Cash App balance, and if you don't have a balance in your account, it will be spent from your bank account. If you want to request money, it is the same step. You must return to the main screen, write the amount of money you want to request, and then press this button. Extra information about Cash App. Cash App is starting offering loans for amounts between $20 and $200. The loan repayment period is 4 weeks and has a 5% surcharge. If you don't cancel the loan after 4 weeks, you will get an additional grace period of 1 week, then Square and Cash App will start adding 1.25% interest, not compounded, each week. You will also not be able to get an additional loan if you have previously defaulted. We are always testing new functionality in the Cash App and recently began testing the ability to borrow money with approximately 1,000 Cash App customers, a company spokesperson said in a statement. We look forward to hearing your comments and learning from this test. What did you think of our Cash App review? Did you like it? If so, please support us with a like. You can also subscribe to this channel called Transfer Review, where we analyze different applications to transfer money. That's all for today. See you in the next video.